Well, hey there everyone. I'm Kaye here on my homestead in Tennessee. Today I'm going to bring you a very short video because I'm trying something new and I want to share it with my community. I'm so excited today. I'm going to be making vanilla. It is the easiest thing in the world to do, and you know vanilla, it has to be the most widely used flavoring in baking for sure. So pretty much everybody uses it and loves it. So why not make gifts? Make your own vanilla and make gifts and give them homemade vanilla. Why not? It is so simple. And my friend Teresa, we did a whole series of canning videos together. You'll remember her if you scroll back in my food preservation playlist. And she inspired me to make my own. So I ordered some vanilla beans. I have 2 ounces here. These are Vanilla Bean Kings. That's the name of the company. It's USDA organic Madagascar vanilla beans. And there's 2 ounces in this vacuum sealed package. Basically, all you do is you put vanilla beans into vodka, or you could use spiced rum. It's your preference if you want to flavor it with something else, but just regular vodka and the vanilla beans, and it takes 6 months to a year. You're going to want to let it, well, it doesn't ferment, it just infuses from the beans into the alcohol. And of course, when you cook vanilla, the alcohol is cooked out, so no worries there. A chart comes with the vanilla because you want to make sure you have the right concentration of vanilla per the vodka or other alcohol that you're using. You don't want it too watered down. It's got to be, there is a chart to go by. You need 2 ounces for a 16-ounce bottle. It's a minimum of 1.67 ounces. Recommended is 2 ounces. So that's exactly what we have. We're going to keep this simple, follow the directions, not make it complicated. And I did actually weigh. If you're going to do some different amounts, you can use your kitchen scale and weigh it. But I have 2 ounces here. I've already weighed. I measured my water that I put into this bottle. So I would have, this is a sample bottle. I wanted to see how much liquid actually filled up the bottle. And so I'm going to be putting 16 ounces in here, but I will still have room for the beans. You want to open your package. Here we go. There we go. I'm going to give you a close-up of this. That is so cool. This is the first time in my life that I have held vanilla beans in my hand. This is very exciting. They're like little crochet hooks. Okay, so I need all of them. That's really going to fill up that bottle. You don't absolutely have to use your, oh wow. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. Wow. Wow. That's not going to be easy getting that many in there, but we'll see. Get this out of your way. Get this out of your way. There we go. Oh, this is fun. Teresa and I did a trip together to the Homesteaders Conference in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. You might have seen, I didn't actually shoot a video there. I wanted to just enjoy myself. But I did post a lot of pictures. Wow, that really fills it up. Okay, so we're going to take our vodka. This is just regular 80 proof, 40% alcohol. And I am going to put in 16 ounces. You can't really see what I'm doing, can you? Okay, now we're just going to pour it in. Could this be easier? I don't think so. You know, I probably should have a, you know, I'm stand up, so I make sure I don't spill it. Whoops. I don't think it's quite gonna go all the way. Nope. I've got about a couple of tablespoons left, but that's okay. That'll just make it a little stronger. And then all you do, there you go. Let's see, put that down and lock it. And there you have it. Now it takes 6 months to a year, but you don't have to worry because this becomes your mother unless you use a different kind of jar. You can always use a liquor bottle but you have to use more beans. You can keep the mother in here and you can siphon off a little bit. It's not too late to make Christmas gifts. You need to date this. So you need to date this the day you put it in so you remember, but I will remember it's the end of October, so the end of 6 months from now would be the first I would attempt to use this. And this just sits in a cabinet in your kitchen. And the thing is, let's move that. You can use it for Christmas gifts this year though. That's the great thing, is you don't have to wait 6 months, otherwise you miss the holidays. You can, I've got some bottles here that I ordered, and this is a great size for, hopefully I have some lids in here. This came with, okay. I thought these had lids. Oh well, you can use this size bottle. This is a great size, or 2 ounce is a great size also for a gift. And you can make labels, and it'll be a very special gift. And I was going to show you a few pictures that Teresa just sent me today of some of the bottles in process that she has. She has one that's in spice rum, one in just regular Kirkland vodka, and one in, let's see, it's a different kind of alcohol, I believe, which just gives a little different flavor to it. And also, she makes these lovely labels, which, you know, would be so nice. I need to get organized to do that. But here's your chart that comes with your, and it's a magnet thing, so it'll stick to your, hopefully it'll stick to your refrigerator. Teresa is in a barter group, so she uses these small bottles of vanilla for bartering, which is an awesome idea also. But what I'm saying about Christmas, okay, if you want to make Christmas gifts, holiday gifts, you can siphon off, strain off enough for not quite a full bottle, and put a piece of bean in here, and it will continue to infuse, and then you can still give gifts this year. You don't have to wait till next year. Who knows what we'll be doing 6 months from now, or a year. So I'm sorry I didn't start this 3 years ago. I'm sorry I didn't start it 2 years ago when Teresa was here and she inspired me in so many ways. She's doing so many things prepping wise in Idaho, from, you know, bartering to tinctures and freeze drying. She has freeze dryers going all the time. She has dehydrators going all the time. She is making stuff all the time. When I just talked to her, she had the canner going. I think she was canning chicken broth or something. I don't know. Oh gosh, I wish I could just feel like I had a working space to do all these things, because I enjoy them so much. But I go into my kitchen, it's so dark, everything's piled high because I have no place to put anything, and no pantry, so everything is just crammed everywhere. All my seeds, you know, oh goodness. So I know I can do a better job, and I really hope to do that next year. But for now, I have just taught you how to make vanilla. Think about ordering some beans and get started, because I wish I had started this 2 years ago. But I didn't. I'm starting it now, so I'm going to be happy. And I'm also starting for the first time sourdough making my own sourdough starter and starting. I've had some failures, but I haven't given up, so I'm going to be working on that. And I'm also going to be making yogurt for the first time. So there's so many things to look forward to, and I hope I've inspired you in some way. If I have, I hope you subscribe to my channel, click the bell for notifications, scroll down and click all so you won't miss an episode. And I'll see you back here on the next video. Don't forget to hit the like and find ways to support the channel below the video. Thanks so much for watching. God bless, and I'll see you next time.